Just one more last look at this headliner. So we're going to get started. We're going to have to pull these dome lights and get those changed to the black. All the handles, we'll get those out, cleaned, changed to black. So at this point, the only thing holding the headliner in place is the rubber gasket around the door openings. So I'm going to pull those down and we should see the headliner basically fall down. Alright, here we can see we got the headliner out, and it is time to take the original material off. And then after we get the material off, you'll see there's some foam left behind, and I'll be getting that off with a drill and a cup wire brush. So if you have any questions, put that in the comment, but I'll also have links in the description below for everything that I use. Alright, so here we have the original material pulled off, and what's left behind is this foam right here. And so when your headliner starts to fall, what you have is the foam and the fabric decide they need to part ways. So here what we have is just the foam left behind, and you can see in some areas like this, the foam and the adhesive between the foam and the main base has already started to separate. So what we're going to do in this part is we're going to get the foam removed from the main base, and then that'll give us a clean slate to put our new material on. So we've got all the old material off of the headliner backing, or the backer, whatever you want to call it, the main headliner. And so the next step is to adhere the headliner to the main headliner board. To do that, we use an adhesive, and this is Weldwood, and it's the Landau top. This is a really good adhesive to use. And you can see obviously that I have an aerosol here, but I will be spraying out of a standard spray gun. So you can get it in an aerosol, or you can get it in a gallon or 5 gallon. But anyway, we will be using the 1 gallon sprayed out of a gun. I've used this before, and it works just as good as this. So there's no reservations to use this. So here you can see we've got glue on both sides, and we're gonna let this tack up, and then we will put this side down. I'm gonna work my way from the middle toward the far end there. Alright, so we've got the headliner covered and it's ready to go back in the truck. Looks like I need to make a couple of tweaks, but we'll go ahead and take care of that before we get it in the truck. If you have any questions about how we did this, put them in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer any questions you got.